Hello everybody, thanks for watching this video. So in this video I'm going to show you the new features in profile types of BPM version 8.5 compared to version 8.0 of BPM. So let's have a quick look. So the BPM version 8.5 now provides only two profile types, BPM DMG or BPM node. So why do we need BPM DMG? This is used for deployment manager profiles and it is available in standard and advanced editions of process server, BPM server. And again, in the standard and in the advanced editions you have a BPM node profile type. So let's forget about BPM server because this is used for creating standalone profiles, but this is only available with Express edition. So you all know that BPM 8.5 has three type of three type of products: Express, Standard and Advanced editions. So let us not talk about Express edition because anyway we are going to either use a standard or advanced editions. So it has only BPM node option and BPM DMG option. The BPM DMG simply creates a deployment manager profile. The BPM node will simply create a manager node profile, right? So now let us see what is this BPM node profile and what is this, what exactly they will do, right? Here we go. Let's have a quick look of this table. So the standalone profile type, the deployment manager profile type, the custom manager node profile type. So in Express you have only standalone feature. In standard you don't have standalone, but you have the other two features. In advanced you don't have standalone, you have the other two. So now it is clear that the latest version is supporting only deployment manager and custom managed BPM node and BPM DMG profile. So now then what if you want to create a custom node? Let us have a quick look. So the standard or advanced editions, the typical installation option is composed of deployment manager node. The typical installation option itself composed of deployment manager node and a single manager node that contains one cluster with one member on it. This configuration is also known as simple ND. So by default you are getting a cell, a manager node, a deployment manager, a cell configuration means you are going to have a deployment manager node and a single manager node. So this configuration is also called as simple ND. This install option uses default values of the installation but allows for specifying the installation path and database. So right, so then so let us see first how to create the deployment manager profile in BPM version 8.5. So unlike previous versions in 8.5, there are now only two default users. Let us understand what is this new concept in version 8.5. The cell administrator. So this guy is the primary VAS server administrator, a user that is so this guy is now responsible. His responsibility is deployment environment administrator, not the old process server administrator. He is the deployment environment administrator, which means he has primarily IBM DBM administrator, which means again this user is assigned an admin role for administrative access for process center and process admin console. So this is a new concept, and how to create the deployment manager profile is simple. Command is like this: manage profile sh create template path is you are calling DMGR template, profile name is so and so, host name, admin user, admin password, and after that profile now exist, it will be created. Now once you start the manager, you see here the DMGR is open. So the overall conclusion is the BPM DMGR profile will create just a DMGR. And let us see, now we have another option, right? The BPM node option. So the BPM node creates a manager node, that's what we understand. So the typical command looks like this: manage profiles, create template path is pointing to BPM node, and profile name is whatever the name you want to host. You don't need username password here, because the once you federate it, it will be automatically the same. So then that stuff will give you this result, and it created the manager node profile. And later you need to manually do federating manager node to deployment manager by using which command? Add node, okay, dmg host name, username, password. And interestingly, this doesn't even need a support. So this is a new feature in version 8.5. so there are only 2 profile types now in version 8.5. For more features of version 8.5 BPM, please watch my next videos. Thanks, bye for now.